Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about non-coherent binary frequency shift keying. In non-coherent orthogonal modulation involves two non-coherent receivers. So that are binary FSK and differential phase shift keying. Here I am going to discuss about non-coherent binary FSK technique. In binary FSK, the transmitted signal is given by Si of t is equal square root of 2 EB by TB cos of 2 pi FIT, where E suffix B is the bit energy, T suffix B is the bit duration, and I is equal to 1 first transmitted signal and I is equal to 2 second transmitted signal. Now here the transmission of frequency F1 represents binary symbol 1 and transmission of frequency F2 represents binary symbol 0. And this is the mathematical expression of binary frequency shift keying. And this is the block diagram of non-coherent detection of FSK binary signal. In this diagram consisting of two band pass filters. This band pass filter is operating at FC1 and this band pass filter operating at FC2 and two envelope detectors, and the output of the envelope detector is sampled and comparator. So binary FSK wave may be demodulated non-coherently by using envelope detector. The received FSK signal, and this is the received FSK signal. The received FSK signal is applied to a bank of two bandpass filters. This bandpass filter tuned to frequency FC1 and this bandpass filter tuned to frequency FC2. Each bandpass filter is followed by an envelope detector. The resulting output of envelope detector The resulting output of envelope detectors are sampled and then compared with each other. The arrangement for non-coherent detection of FSK signal has been shown in this figure, and this is the figure of non-coherent detection of FSK signal. Now here the comparator. The comparator is nothing but a decision making device, and the importance of the comparator or the decision making device. A decision is made in favor of binary symbol 1 if the envelope detector output derives from the filter tuned to frequency FC1 is larger than the derived from the second filter. So FC1 is greater than FC2 and it will give binary symbol 1, and otherwise decision is made in favor of binary symbol 0. And this is the non-coherent detection of binary FSK signal. And next we are going to discuss about bit error probability or bit error probability for non-coherently detector binary orthogonal FSK. Now let us consider the binary FSK system in which the non-coherent detection using the bandpass filter is done. The bit error probability of such a system is given by or defined as P suffix B is equal 1 by 2 e power minus a square by 4 n naught into WF, where capital A is the peak signal amplitude, n naught by 2 is the power spectral density of the white noise, W suffix F is the filter bandwidth. This equation states that the error performance of the non-coherent binary FSK system is depend on the bandwidth of the filter W suffix F. The error probability decreases with decrease in filter bandwidth. The error probability decrease in filter bandwidth W suffix F So this expression is valid only when the inter-symbol interference is negligible.